Say hello, Daddy. We're having pasta and sauce tonight. I don't think he sees his big girl eating big girl food. Look at those blue eyes. Yeah, they're beautiful. Darn slippery pasta, huh? Oh, you're gonna hand Daddy the food? You give it to Daddy? Good job. Well, let's stuff our mouth, huh? Stuff our mouth. Hi. Okay, say bye to Daddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye.